Hi all, welcome to my channel cloudtext.club. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss about setting up passwordless communication between Ansible controller and worker nodes and some built-in Ansible modules as well. Before that, let's have a quick recap what we have discussed in our previous lectures. So we discussed about what is Ansible, use case of Ansible, along with few features. Next, we discussed about Ansible architecture and its various components. And then we performed a quick lab setup for our learning purpose, where we have deployed controller and worker nodes. So with this, let's get started. So as we performed setup of lab environment in last lecture, we will continue from there by setting up passwordless communication between controller and rest of my worker nodes. Okay, so to explain this, I will use Ansible built-in module called command. So command module is used to provide the single command output. Like if we will write pwd, it's a command which will provide me the present working directory, or we can say ls-la. It will provide me the list of all the files and directories present within the directory. So command module will provide me the output of these commands. So let's go ahead and see how we can use command module with the Ansible. So let's give it a command Ansible. All parameter is used for giving all my target machines. So target machines are my worker 01 and worker 02. And next we will give -m. -m is used for giving the module, and the module name is command, and we will give the argument -a, and next will be I'm going to see the uptime of my target virtual machines. So you can see after executing above command Ansible all -m command -a uptime, it will perform key fingerprint verification. Although it happens only for the first time while performing the SSH, but still a drawback, reason being, if there are hundreds of servers, you need to press yes. So let's press yes here. Right? It's trying to reach .26. Yeah, it's unreachable to another one as well. So to resolve this, let's go ahead and uncommit the host key checking in the etc ansible.cfg file to disable SSH host key checking for the one-time fingerprint verification. Let's see how to do it. Ansible CFG. Let's find where is written the host. Here it is. So let's go ahead and uncomment this host key checking. I'm going to save this file. So the file is saved. I'm going to run the same command now, the Ansible all -m command -a uptime. Let's see what we see now. So now you can see it has given us different warning or a different error. Okay, so still we need to provide the password after modifying the file. To skip authentication, we can use what? -k. Let's do that. So the password is read it. Okay, now we can see it has provided us the uptime for my target virtual machines, but still I have to provide the SSH password. Okay, for resolving that or for performing the keyless, we have to use a procedure, and we have to copy the public key which we will be shared to remote host or nodes. Let's see how to do it. So let's run the command ssh-keygen. Enter. Let's go to the cd.ssh. Let's see what files are there. So this is the public key which needs to be shared to remote host or the target virtual machines. Let's do ssh copy -i root @192.168.1.26. I believe that's the IP address of my worker 1. Yeah, and let's see what is the IP address of worker 2, because I have to do it on both of my virtual machines. So this is done. I'll provide the password, and this is copied. I'm going to do the same on my another virtual machine. We'll provide the password, and done. Now I'm going to run the same command of Ansible all -m command -a uptime. So this time we don't have to provide the password. Let's go ahead and see if this works. Perfect. So this is how we set up passwordless authentication between the controller and worker nodes. Let's see a little bit more about the command module. Let's try to run a little bit more commands on command module. So as I told, command module is used to provide the single command output. So I'm going to just replace this uptime with the date. Let's see what is the date on my worker 01 and a worker 02. Okay, if I want to see what are the files listed in my temp folder on my target virtual machines. Yeah, so these are the folders and the files which are present in /temp or my worker 01 and a worker 02. Let's see the present working directory, if we can say on my worker nodes. Let's see if it works. So I believe you got to know what is command module used for. Command module just provides you the output of the command sets which are there for the Unix system, right? So let's try to run multiple commands with the help of a command module. Let's say I want to see the uptime as well as the date. of my worker 01 and a worker 02. So it don't works, right? Let me try one more time. So it's giving the error. So the reason for this error is the command module is only meant for running the single command at a time. So for running multiple commands at the same time to get an output, we use another module called a raw module. So I'm going to change the module name here. Let's see the raw module. So we can see both the outputs are present in front of us. You can see the uptime of my worker 01. Next, the present working directory is root. And if we will go and see for the worker 02, this is the present working directory, the slash root, and this is going to be the uptime. So this is how we make use of a raw module and a command module, and we set up passwordless authentication between controller and worker nodes. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.